We live in very difficult times. More than ever, we must strive to serve our family. Disease, violence, economic crisis, pollution have become a thing of all of us and every day. It seems like we're living in an end of the world movie. You can still be happy, fully happy. Every day people die by the thousands. If we are still alive, it's because we have a purpose to be here. Happiness is not only about getting nice gifts, but also giving our family the best of ourselves. We must be truly interested in their welfare. Fill their needs for care, affection, love. We are not in a position to argue about our way of thinking. We may feel self-sufficient, but there is a supreme being who is too powerful for us to dare to challenge him. We must also count our blessings. Consider those who are really in serious trouble. Those who have lost everything they have, who are seriously ill, hospitalized, dying of cancer, or heart problems. We must pray for them. Every second of our life does not come back. We must take advantage of our space and time to be a blessing, mainly to our loved ones. Live in love and harmony throughout your marriage. A wife is a loved one who shares our interest in raising the family. We must help each other. We are no longer you and me, but we are happy to be us, for life. If we don't treat our loved ones tenderly, the day will come when we will reap what we have sown. Our neighbors are an extension of our family. We must live in peace with them. We must be more aware of our obligations rather than our rights. Let us be a source of inspiration to others, so we can lavish more kind words and more of our self-denial to the family. May there be no arguments, criticism, or scolding. We should pray for our loved ones. Regarding our finances, we should take advantage of our skills. We can make bread, sweets, enforce our family recipes, offer services, advice, from our home to the world. We must manage our income, investing in durable and useful goods. Regarding our home finances, it is our duty to keep the house in good shape, from a leaky faucet to installing an alternative energy system. Let's begin to repair anything not working properly around the house. Current communication technology allows us to learn new things every day without leaving home. We should pray for our income. It is necessary to eat healthy food, eat less sugar, less salt, more nutrients. We must also be aware that all the food coming to our table comes from God, through the action of the sun. Our food comes from outer space, from our closest star, the sun. We should pray for our food. It is essential to help children with their homework. We will learn a lot. We must also be aware of what our children watch and listen to. It is necessary for us to watch less TV and play with our children more often, to be tender to our wife, to be nice to her. She should feel loved and protected. Let's take care of each other. We must take special care of children and the elderly. Let's help each other. We cannot afford to waste time watching negative, terrifying soap operas, where family violence, intrigue, cruelty is commonplace. We should not pay attention to any rumor. We should have less careless chatter, and start reflecting on what really matters, about fulfilling our purpose in life, about being useful and a great blessing to others, especially our family. We must pray with the family. We won't have time to be unhappy.